Introduction to TradingView, what it is and how to use it. TradingView is a powerful web-based platform that provides traders and investors with tools for charting, technical analysis, and social networking. Launched in 2011, it has become one of the most popular platforms among traders due to its user-friendly interface, extensive charting capabilities, and community-driven features. Key features of TradingView. 1. Charting tools. TradingView offers a wide range of charting tools and indicators, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. Key features include multiple chart types, candlestick, line, bar charts, etc., drawing tools, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, shapes, and annotations, technical indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, etc. 2. Customization options. Users can customize charts according to their preferences. Timeframes, from tick-by-tick to monthly charts. Themes, light, dark, and custom color schemes. Layouts, save and load multiple chart layouts. 3. Screening and scanning. Traders can screen for trading opportunities using predefined or custom-built screeners. Stock screener, filter stocks based on criteria like market cap, volume, P/E ratio, etc. Crypto screener, scan cryptocurrencies based on price action, volume, and technical indicators. 4. Social features. TradingView integrates social networking features. Follow and interact. Follow other traders, comment on ideas, and share charts. Public and private chats. Engage with the community or discuss privately with friends. How to use TradingView effectively. 1. Creating a chart. Selecting an asset. Enter the symbol, e.g. AAPL for Apple, in the search bar. Choosing chart type. Select the desired chart type, e.g. candlestick. Adding indicators. Click on Indicators and select from the list. 2. Analyzing charts. Drawing tools. Use trend lines and shapes to identify patterns and support resistance levels. Indicators. Overlay indicators to confirm trends and identify entry-exit points. 3. Saving and sharing ideas. Saving charts. Save your analysis by clicking on Save in the top toolbar. Sharing ideas. Publish your analysis as a trading idea for the community to view and comment on. 4. Collaborating and learning. Follow traders. Learn from experienced traders by following their ideas. Community insights. Gain insights from community discussions and market sentiment. Advantages of TradingView. Accessibility. Accessible via web browsers on desktop and mobile devices. Community-driven. Benefit from the collective wisdom and insights of a large community of traders. Integration. Seamless integration with brokerage accounts for live trading. Conclusion. TradingView is an essential tool for traders looking to perform technical analysis, share trading ideas, and engage with a global community of traders and investors. By leveraging its comprehensive charting tools, indicators, and social features, traders can enhance their decision-making process and stay informed about market trends effectively. Whether you're a novice exploring the basics of technical analysis or an experienced trader seeking advanced charting capabilities, TradingView offers a robust platform that caters to a wide range of trading needs. Resources for further learning. Official website. Visit TradingView for tutorials, webinars, and updates. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer courses on mastering technical analysis using TradingView. Community forums. Engage with fellow traders on TradingView's forums and social channels for tips and strategies.